A caravan of cars arrived from Qamishlo to Hasake, a city in northeast of Syria that is still part of the autonomous region, but the Islamist-led Syrian government wants to take it over. In a surprise attack supported by Turkey, the Syrian Democratic Forces have been evicted from Tabka, Raqqa and Deir Ezzor and have been obliged to withdraw till this city, Hasake. People here refuse to hand over the city to the new Syrian government. The city is very mixed, Kurdish-Arabic, and they fear that a handover will lead to new massacres.
جواني قام شلون ماتنا حسكه مش قلتي هذول اخوي شبره شرده بقرن ومش حرش كثير حاضرن وكل حسكه جاهز بشي امش قور بهم حاضريه اخوتكم مش حرش كثير حاضرن.
A ceasefire has been extended for 2 more weeks. The main concern, however, for the international coalition is not the autonomy for the Kurds, but the management of the ISIS prisoners. 40 kilometers east from here is the al-Hol camp with still tens of thousands of family members of ISIS prisoners. The SDF handed the al-Hol camp over to Syrian government forces. In this prison inside Hasake, thousands of ISIS prisoners are still under the control of the SDF. The prison is at only 1 kilometer of the front line. The Syrian army is now at the gates of Hasake, and people here fear that the handover of the city might release these dangerous prisoners.
We are here at the front line between the Syrian regime-controlled area behind us and the area, the autonomous area from the Syrian Democratic Forces and the autonomous administration. The Syrian regime is proposing to the Syrian Democratic Forces to surrender or to integrate individually in the Syrian army, what they refuse to do. So at this moment there is a stalemate and nobody knows what is going to happen.
An eventual integration of the Syrian Democratic Forces in the Syrian army does not say anything about the place of women.
اگر اندماجك تشبه دناوا ارتشي داجي هلبت ديالوج هي وامي قبولنا كن وكي بيجي لدربا بمن شما يكود روجاوادا يعني باكور جلات سوريا دا بيشنتي او شورا شكر جنبو وكي بيجي شركو دايا مشاندن دحمو قادان دا دقاده رقصني دا دقاده فكر دا دحمو قادان دا جي يبجي رولكي مازن ليست دحمو جبهان دا جي رولكي مازن ليست عمي قبولنا كنكو وك هيز ناي ديتن هيزا ما هي هيزا كي سربوخاي عمي وصا تشاوكو بنسيواني قصد دا عم تبليبونا هيزا كي ما يسربوخاجي هي.
People here feel abandoned by the entire world, by their former allies inside Syria and also by the international coalition. Even the Russians are running away. Back in Qamishlo, at the airport, we see the Russian army evacuating its base, transferring vehicles and personnel to the Humaimin base in the west of Syria. Chris Den Hond and Abbas, Hasake, northeast Syria.